Hey Optimist, in today's video, we are going to take a look at dynamic typing. Dynamic typing is when you declare a variable in JavaScript, you don't worry about its data type, right? Say for example, you declare var a is equals to 5, var b is equals to, say, hey. You don't worry whether if it's a number or a string, right? So to explain dynamic typing, let's look at an example. Let's just declare a variable var dum is equals to 5. Now, let's look at the type of it. The type of the variable is number. Now I'm going to reassign this variable down to some string. Let's just say hey again and let's look at the type. Now it's string. We just reassigned the value of a variable which contained a number to a string. This is dynamic typing. Dynamic typing is a kind of a big deal if you ask me. Especially if you see statically typed languages such as C, C++, where you have to specify data type for every variable you type. Dynamic typing can be a real pain or an advantage based on the situation and how you use it. Some people even prefer static typing as they feel like they have more control over what type of value is being assigned to the variable. Alright, I hope you understand dynamic typing. It's kind of a big deal and an important concept. Hope you're enjoying the playlist too. If there is anything, let me know in the comments. Thank you.